Hello everyone, welcome to my database slash app experiments. It's the sixth experiment, that is subqueries and called subqueries. So what are subqueries? Subqueries are like nested queries are called subqueries. You can also say that query within a query is also called a subquery. So what we normally do is we usually add where clause and the statement of the other subquery so that both are combined and the output is 7. So for that you need to, these are some of the questions which I have been asked. For that, I need to open my command line, that is SQL command line, and before that, I need to connect my system. That's my ID, and my password is so it's connected. So we are into the command line prompt where we can query the database queries. So for that, I have been given that make use of customer table, depositor table, and the branch table. First, I'll be using the customer table. So let me. We already created this in my third experiment, if I'm right. So select start from the customer. See, the customer table is ready. Fine. Next, the depositor table. I think I have named it as deposit. Yeah, right. Fine. Next is the branch table. For branch table, I am from branch. Fine. We have got my tables. The tables are ready. So the thing left is I explain the questions and I'll explain you why we are using it and what it is. First question is, this is the name of customers having maximum deposit. So, and they are already given me an example that use in operator. So for that, the thing is, I need to select the name, customer name from the deposit where amount. There's amount, right? So we are using amount. So amount in and the starts the subquery. Select max. Select the max amount, right? So select max amount from deposit. See, that is the only guy having the max. Like it's the maximum amount is the customer name of Nugget. Fine. Okay. Um, Next question is, list the name of customers having deposit in the customer living in Nagpur. What have asked us? Very dear. List the name of customers having deposit in the customers living in Nagpur. So select the depositor name from deposit D and I give an object as D where D dot cname in. So depositors and its customer name in which one? That is a subquery. So select cname from customer where city, what are given is Nagpur, living in Nagpur. So city equal to Nagpur. So some spelling mistake I've done here. Yeah, and right. Select D dots. Yeah, I got there. Fine. So like it's a customer name of the depositor. So I not type the C this, so that has come. So select D dot C name from deposit D where D dot C name in. select C name from customer where city is Nagpur. So what happens is from the deposit table, C name is matched with the customer table C name. So where city is Nagpur. So these are the persons Madhuri and Pramod. Other persons having depositor name in the customer table and also as deposit table, which who are living in the city Nagpur. So next question. Give the names of customers in Karol Bagh branch having more deposits than other customers in BRCE branch. Choose any operator. So any is like in is a particular thing. Any it may be any table. Fine. So D dot C name from deposit D where D dot amount is greater than any select amount from deposit and D dot branch name equal to Karol Bagh. Fine. So what I have done is they asked us to give the name of customer in Karol Bagh branch having more deposit than other customers. So what I did deposit D is this. So select deposit of C name from deposit where D is greater than amount of deposited by the branch name Karol Bagh. Fine. So that's what I did. I use any operator is greater than any of the select amount on deposit and the data deposit branch name should be Karol Bagh. Fine. So I come down. Sorry, question yeah. List the branch and list the branch cities of Anil and Sunil used in operators. So we should display the branch of cities of these customers Anil and Sunil. So we need to use the branch name now. Branch name from deposits because it's in deposits. Deposit D where D dot C name N, what is it like select it from so the C name from deposit where the C name should be equal to what is it Anil, right? Anil or uh, C name should be Sunil. Fine. So the branch name of deposit of Sunil or Anil is VRCE and AGN9. And the next question is list all the cities where branch of Anil Sunil are located. So where are these branches located is the part of the question block we have to solve now. So a small change I think is I need to change from deposit to branch table. Branch B where B name in select D dot B name deposit D where C name equal to Anil or C name equal to Sunil. So Both branches of Anil and Sunil depositors are in the city called Nagpur, and they have the branches in VRCE branch and AGNA branch. Both these branches are located in the city called Nagpur. Fine. Next is give the loan amount of borrowers having same branch as that of depositors Sunil using in operator. So select B dot loan number, comma B dot amount from I would borrow B, where D dot B name, select D dot B name from deposit, where D dot deposit D, where D dot C name equal to Sunil. So there are no rows such as like um, loan number and loan number of borrowers having a branch of capacity. So Sunil does not have any loan number and loan amount from the borrowers table. So that's the thing. Fine. We come back here. Using in operator only, we have been asked to list all deposits having deposit in all branches where Sunil is having account. So Sunil is having account where all the people are having, you should show them. Who else are having that? So D dot name from deposit D, where D dot branch name in select B name from deposit, where C name equal to Sunil. Find a bracket and close. Some error is there. Yeah, I found it like from spelling is wrong. I typed form, so that's the error. Somehow error is what's the error? So it's showing like invalid identifier. So have some made a mistake where it is. So select D dot C name. So it's a customer name, and if I've not given the customer name, it won't be displayed. So fine. Only Sunil has the account where depositors having the branch name as Sunil's branch name. Fine. Last one I'm going to explain today is list all customers living in city Nagpur and having the branch city Bombay or Delhi. So I think you understood the question. Having living in city Nagpur and having the branch in city is Bombay or Delhi. So be careful here. If I make any mistake, I'll be messed up. Name from C dot city equal to uh, sorry, I'm not speaking and typing because I need to be serious. If I make any small mistake, I'll be getting error. So I'll just type it and explain you at a time. Fine. As we have asked for Delhi or the branch city may be Bombay. So again, I told you if we have not, yeah, yeah. See, what happens is, so I'll be selecting the select C name, customer name from the customer table. So the customer city is Nagpur and customer name in from I'm taking it from select customer name from deposit and branch where both are same, where deposit's name and the branch name of the person in the deposit table and the branch table matches, and the branch city may be Delhi or Bombay. That is, only the person called Madhuri has the same thing. So these are some of my questions in the subqueries, or I mean, this is called subqueries. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.